Did you know your brain has its own cleaning crew? Meet the Glymphatic system, a network that clears waste from your brain using cerebrospinal fluid, or CSF. This system works best during sleep, flushing out toxins like amyloid-beta, which is linked to Alzheimer's. The term glymphatic was coined in 2012 by neuroscientist Maiken Nedergaard. This new term combines glia, a type of cell in the brain that comes from the Latin word glue, and lymphatic, like the body's waste system, which comes from the Latin word for water. Her team at the University of Rochester discovered how CSF flows through perivascular spaces to detoxify the brain. Misalignments in the spine can interfere with the flow of the CSF, and such was the case with legendary Chicago Bears quarterback Jim McMahon.
What you're seeing is a narrowing of the opening where the spinal fluid's supposed to come through.
And he gave his account of what it was like to get adjusted after years of head and neck injuries.
Within 2 minutes, it was like the toilet flushed. I could feel this stuff actually leaving my brain.
By gently aligning the spine, these adjustments can potentially enhance fluid movement, supporting the glymphatic system's cleansing process. With our growing knowledge of concussions, we're now recognizing the vital role that chiropractic plays in the healing of concussions by addressing the alignment of the spine and the flow of cerebrospinal fluid to allow the body to heal itself.